First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to express our thanks to Egyptian Society of Cardiology and to its president, Professor Dr. Khalid Shukri, and to the board member of Egyptian Society of Cardiology. Also, our deep thanks for our professors and mentors who were present with us in previous sessions, and also for those who will be present with us in upcoming session, inshallah. Our deep thanks also to Dr. Muna, our great director, and actually without her great efforts, I think this program and this course will not succeed. We will start by our teaching modules which are adopted in Cardiac Academy. I will start the first one, which is flipped classroom. I am Dr. Munir Saif from Cardiac Academy.
So my talk today is flipped classroom, definition, method and benefit. First of all, what is flipped classroom? Actually, flipped classroom is a teaching model, but the core idea here to flip the instructional approach. That means the learner are asked to do knowledge acquisition at home, then they come to the class to do active implementations. So before the class, learners prepare to participate in class activities, then they come to the class to practice applying key concepts with feedback from mentors and from peers. Then they come out of the class again after the class to check their understanding and extend their learning. So we see here that the goal and objective of learning is achieved better in this model than the traditional model. What about the method? How flipped classroom courses are structured? In the flipped classroom, learners acquire knowledge at home, while in classroom they are applying the concept with guidance of mentor. So prior to the class, before the class, learners do the following activities: watch videos, attend Zoom meeting, do assignments, watch an online lecture, review online course material, read physical or digital texts, complete auto-graded quiz. Then during the class, they do the following activities. They do role playings, discussion, question and answer, debriefing for self, team and peers. Then after the class, learners submit feedback to instructors. Learners work on or complete additional homework like exercise, project, papers, researches. What about the relation with Bloom's taxonomy? First of all, what is the Bloom's taxonomy? Actually, Bloom's taxonomy was created by an educational psychologist, Benjamin Bloom, in 1956, and it is a model explaining how learning should be structured and how students progress from basic knowledge acquisitions to more advanced information evaluations. It starts by remembering whatever facts, figures, or any other of informations. Then the learners progress through understanding the informations, then evaluating the informations, then applying it, analyzing it, and then they attain the level of evaluating the information with supporting points. The top of this taxonomy is creating based on basic information and previous acquisitions. So we can see here from these two pyramids that in traditional learnings, the lower level of cognitive functions is done at classroom. Then the higher level of cognitive functions is left for the learners to do it at home, which is difficult for learning to achieve the top of this taxonomy, which is creating and evaluating. While in flipped classroom, the lower level of cognitive functions actually is done at home. Then the learners come to the class to do higher level of cognitive functions like evaluating and creating, which can easy to be attained and to be achieved. What about the benefits of flipped classroom? Actually, there are many benefits of flipped classroom, but the most important benefits are those 5 benefits, which are efficient and reusable. That means saving a lot of time using this model. Actually, recorded lesson plans, lectures, class meetings and student cases can be used or transferred to other classes, and no need to create everything from the beginning. Second one is student control learnings. That means We know every student has his own speed and method of learning. Learning at home are more comfortable to learn, read, rewatch a video lecture, or even initiate an internet search to better understand the concept. Also, engagement-based learning is another benefit. Better engagement not only among teacher and students, but also among peers. Sharing notes, comments, and queries related to the subjects. Discussions and dialogues can help for better understanding. Also, content representations, because this model enables teacher to represent and share content in so many different ways with help of technology, and not just sticking to the blackboard or textbook-based learnings. The last one is cost-effective implementations. This model is much more cost-effective for teaching than purchasing hundreds of new classroom gadgets to increase engagement. So, in this model, we have better understanding, we have better grades, we have less memorizations, and we have more application. Thank you.